Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a Hobby Lobby haul to share with you guys. Nothing crazy. I have been seeing you guys haul these amazing stickers. So of course I had Brenda pick some up for me because she has a very close Hobby Lobby, and whenever there's things on sale, she always picks them up for me. And yeah, let me share with you guys the ones that I chose. I picked out two of these shakers that I've been seeing around. I got the balloon ones. I love the mix. It's so pretty. And I believe the sale was 50% off the Paper Studio. So I got this one. I got the unicorn one, which also has a very pretty mix in the inside. So cute. I got a pack of these super cute little bunnies. I wanted the ones also with the little gold. I think it's gold and it has like the little pom-pom, but they didn't have any more of those. So I got one of these. I got these cute little happy birthday ones that everyone's hauling as well. These are so cute with the pink and the mint green. And it has like a cute little gemstone right there. That's super pretty. I got some of these party hats, which also remind me of the ones from Michaels that everybody's been saying. I think I have a Michaels one right here. Let me see if I can show you guys. These are the ones from Michaels. They're just more plain. This one has like a little bit more of a detail to it, but they're still super cute. I love the colors. I got some more of these little mini tassels, and you get 12 pieces. I got some of these lashes, these little foam lashes. These are adorable, you guys. Look at that. So cute. You can put lashes on anything. And of course I had to get these balloons, you guys. I think I saw the first person I saw haul these was Erica, Scrappy Diva, and Scrap Diva, and oh my gosh, I fell in love. They're so cute. I love them so much. I might need to get another pack. And then I got these cute little girls. They are so cute with their little glasses. And then the last one I got was the makeup one with the little lipstick and the makeup brushes. But yeah, you guys, those are all the stickers that I chose from the Hobby Lobby sale. And one item from AliExpress, I got this Alina Cuddle die. This is the bow die. I've been seeing a bunch of people post bows with this die, and they're so pretty. Which I think I also got this from Erica. She posted this as well. So cute. And yeah, you guys, that's everything for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.